Hey, what's up guys? So Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has recently received a massive new software update which has added some very interesting features. And here is a list of everything that's new in this update. There are 4 new watch faces. Usability of Together, Air Emoji and Bitmoji watch faces has improved, and My Photo watch face now supports GIF files, which we will get to in a minute. There are some improvements made to the animal and cute character watch faces as well. So you can see that a lot of this update has to do with the watch faces and their functionality. There are some improvements in health and fitness department as well, as heart rate measurement algorithm has received an upgradation, and so has the fall detection. And finally, there is a new gesture and some call functionality improvements. But in this video, I want to specifically talk about 5 of these major updates. The first thing is that we now have 4 new watch faces for our Galaxy Watch 4. There is InfoBrick watch face that adds new colors and supports 3 widgets. However, the main complication at the bottom only supports 2 modes. You can either have daily activity or steps here, but you can have any information added to the remaining 2 complications. Next, we have a weather center watch face that puts weather at the center of the display, along with the matching animation. But here you can only have different weather metrics for your complications, so it is a bit limited. Moving on, we have live wallpaper watch face, which changes the wallpapers when you tap on the display. Here you can add 4 complications and change the clock style. Nothing crazy. And finally, there is information rich basic dashboard. Here you can change background color, font color and have 4 different complications. Next cool thing that I want to talk about here is support for GIFs in My Photo watch face. So instead of a still photo, you can now have your favorite GIFs as your watch face, or you can create GIFs of yourself and have those added here as well. And if you have a Samsung phone, it is pretty easy to do. All you have to do is go in Samsung Gallery app, tap on the 3-dot menu, select create, and from here you can make a GIF. Select multiple photos of yourself or anything else and you will have your own custom GIF. You can then add that GIF as your watch face on your watch. It's pretty cool. Another major update that they have added is fall detection feature on Galaxy Watch 4. There is now a sensitivity option that you can toggle on if you want your watch to be more responsive to any falls you might incur. For that, you can go to settings, go in advanced options, select SOS and here go in hard fall option. And here you will see the high sensitivity option. But there is one important thing to be aware of here, and it tells you right there on this option that turning this feature on can lead to other activities being also detected as false, so you can have a lot of false data here. So be aware of that while using this feature. Moving on, this update also brings in new gesture control to Galaxy Watch 4. This is like a knocking gesture. In advanced features, go in gesture section and here you will find quick launch gesture. The way it works is that once your screen turns on, within 5 seconds of it, you will have to make this gesture and it will launch any feature that you have already selected for it. Now there are 2 options here. You can either launch any specific app of your choice, or you can have it perform a specific function like opening recent apps, workout lists, turning on torch and adding a reminder. And it also works pretty easily and flawlessly if you are wearing your watch right. It is tight on your wrist, not too tight but have a good grip on your wrist, and you make this feature, it will launch whatever you have set it to launch every single time. And finally, the last feature I want to talk about is that now when you go to backup and restore the watch faces, it will now also back up the proper order of the watch faces as well as any changed settings of the preloaded watch faces. So when you will restore them on the next watch, you will get the same order as well as the same settings and complications. You can set this up by going in the watch settings and here go in backup and restore, and from here you can back up watch faces along with their order and any change settings. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and also let me know what you think about this update. Which features are you looking forward to using? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.